Welcome to the installation guide for Greenfoot Java. Greenfoot Java is an interactive, object-oriented programming environment for games and simulation. Welcome. And we would like to show you how to install the software. The goal of the program is to introduce how to learn programming and have fun. So let's see how to install the Greenfoot Java. First, you need to come to the Greenfoot Java help page. And then there is a software, book, and the green room. And you can pick the software. So here you are led to the download site. So pick the platform you want to have. For me, I would like to use the Windows. So let me click this one, Windows 10. And they will be downloaded to a package. So let me put to a directory. It may take a while, so let's wait. This time it took about 3 minutes. So after you finish, let's open it. And you will see this window installer window. Then click next. And then just for you know, I will pick for all users of this machine. So click this one and click next. And then you will add the file association and then create program menu shortcut and desktop shortcut. I don't need a program menu shortcut, but I do want to create a desktop shortcut. And then it will be under program Greenfoot. That's okay. Click next. And then install. It is installed. So when we click the Greenfoot will be started. The version that I have installed is version 3.6.1. So we see such an environment. So let's see, we can create a new Java scenario. So let's choose a location. So location should be the project you would like to have. So let's see, I would like to go to the C drive and then this directory, and I am going to the Java courses, put into the Greenfoot, and right here I would like to create a new directory called foot. So under foot, I create a test directory, and under test directory, I'm going to create my project over here. So here, I'm going to put a project called test1. So that's a test1 scenario. So over here, I am starting a new scenario called test1. Okay, so I have a directory called war and actor. So war is a top level directory, and the my war is the program that you have. So let's choose this my war. So here it actually create a my war and extending war, and my war programming is right here. So this one, just click run, and it will be an empty page with this one. So that means that your installation is successful. It is a Java-based program, so whatever you learn over here will be useful in your future Java project as well. Thank you. Bye now.